right, Gavin. So this is it. Tell us, Gavin, what are we doing?
We are coming here to get it serviced or like checked for, because there's hill start assist.
Hill start assist warning, right? Yeah, no big deal. So anyway, we're here at the dealership and they're just going to check it out and clear the code. We haven't had any issues whatsoever with it, just that little bit of an alert for hill start assist. We were on a slight incline and it's something strange once in a while when you press the brake pedal and you start it. So anyway, no big deal. We took the Area 51 Badlands to get checked out. We had a hill start assist fault that it popped up on the dash and of course on the instrument panel and then on my Ford app. And no issues. I mean, everything was fine. It turn the ignition back off, or press the button for the accessory to go back off, and then restarted it, and it cranked right up. Something to do with a loose connection on the brake pedal. No big deal. So if you get that fault, just go have it checked out. I think there's a bulletin out on it, and maybe, I don't know that for sure, but just go get it checked out. It's no big deal. Went to the dealer, took them like 15-20 minutes to do that, and then they spent a few minutes checking everything else over. Did a really good job as well, and I got free donuts, so hey, it was kind of worth it. So if you get the hill start assist fault or warning, go have it checked out. No big deal. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching Bronco Wild Outdoors. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, and if you haven't, subscribe. We love it when people subscribe. You just watch all the cool videos that we have coming out and the ones that we already have out, and we do appreciate you taking time to check out some of our Bronco content. And let's go see what we can get into with the Eruption Green Badlands now. See ya.